back, everybody. It is Jasmine from Raw Cut Soaps Co. And today in this video I'm just going to be making my Honey Almond Milk and Oat soap. It's very popular, very high in demand all the time. I think it's really my #1 best seller other than the lavender and turmeric. And yes, so I've also made my clay mask. It's called the Ultimate Clay Mask. It has some really beneficial ingredients in this mask and I'm very proud of it. I think a lot of people would enjoy this, will like it. It'll be very beneficial to people who love clay masks. It's kind of very similar to the Aztec healing mask, except that it has way more powders, healing powders, like turmeric powder, black activated charcoal, and aloe vera powder, and it's also mixed with some green clay powder as well. So this is a great conjunction of ingredients that just came to me and made sense. It's very detoxifying because of that activated black charcoal, and it's very it helps with the glow and evening skin tones if you suffer from discoloration and things like that. So you can always use this on your face, your bikini area, underarm area, if you have somebody to do it with you with the underarm. But I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like. Okay, so we finally got it. I have to hold it at this angle, but this is the Ultimate Clay Mask. I'm really excited for the new packaging. I've only made a couple just to see how it sells, to see if you guys really enjoy it. It does have a bamboo top. It's glass, so this is completely eco-friendly. It also comes with a palm leaf tray. So also eco-friendly. You can keep it, just rinse it off with water when you're done. It's very durable. Of course you could like go like this if you really wanted to, but I suggest you don't. Okay, so it also comes with this wooden spoon to be able to take out your mask out of the jar. You'll add it onto the tray. You would use about the same amount of water as the same amount of powder, so half and half. And you would also use your repair and glow oil. So here is the repair oil. You would add a couple drops once you add your water to your powdered mixture. I would use this oil if you have dry skin and you're looking for a mask that is very detoxifying and pulsating, that actually gets hard on the face and pulls any toxins. This would be great for people who have very dry skin. So I will be sure to make a demo video of exactly how to use this mask. Some people that are into skincare, it might make a lot of sense to them already with everything that it comes with. But for the people that where this is new to them, I'm really excited to introduce this type of mask to you and for you to add it into your skincare regimens. But now, with all said and done, let's go jump into this soap making video. I'm really excited. I already have my 8 pounds of olive oil on the stove warming up right now because we don't use the microwave to warm up anything. But yes, so I've already got the olive oil heating up. I'm just about to add all of my butters and my additives, and yeah, so yes, without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Hi you guys, I'm coming in, and don't mind you guys, I am working on getting a microphone so this doesn't have to sound so far away. This is the beginning of our, YouTube journey of this skincare line, and so if you're here now, thank you for joining and thank you for being a part of these improvements. It's all a process, and anybody knows when you start from the bottom, girl, you gotta work with what you got, okay? But thank you guys so much. But yes, so I've added all of my hard oils, and here you'll see that I'm adding some oatmeal colloidal, okay? Some people don't like to put the oats before adding hot oils on top because they feel like it gets mushy. But I get the very, very thick and stronger oats, so they actually are pretty durable. It still does the same. You still get the light exfoliating qualities in the bar of soap of the oats, and you'll see that I'll blend everything up so it'll be like shredded oats within the bar. People really appreciate the aesthetics of this bar. But here I just poured all of the hot boiling olive oil. It was like 225 in degrees, and you want it that hot so all of these hard butters can melt faster. I love for it to be really, really hot. I move pretty fast when I'm making soaps, and I move pretty fast in anything that I do. But I'm still making sure that I do things the right way. I've gone through making soaps for over a year now, so I'm pretty familiar with my process. So moving fast really isn't ever an issue. But yes, this is the most satisfying part, is mixing everything, seeing the waves. I like to show it on here because it's so satisfying. I don't know if people are into that, if you viewers are into that, but I will hope so. And if you've been following me on Instagram at Raw Cut Soap, from the beginning, you know that I was doing these videos on my Instagram page, but now I just want the Instagram page to just be more so focused on the products rather than the process. The people that appreciate the process, this is your home, okay? YouTube is your home with Raw Cut Soaps Co. If you want to dive deeper into how I make these soaps, the process, and just watching and being oddly satisfied with these things, with these videos. But yeah, so let's see what's going to come up next. Alright, we're adding the almond milk, unsweetened almond milk, pure almond milk as well. I've added vegetable glycerin to my new formula of all of my soaps. So my last formula didn't have vegetable glycerin in it, but it's become, this ingredient is in all of my oils, my toners, and things like that, and my scrubs, because vegetable glycerin acts as an humectant, which makes sure that all of the ingredients actually penetrate into the skin, gives you an overall glow, more moisture, helps with sensitivity. And instead of getting glycerin from an animal, which people are pretty familiar with, you can get glycerin from your plants as well. And you know, Raw Cut Soaps Co. is an all vegan, animal cruelty free brand, okay? Everything we get is raw from the earth. Okay, majority of our stuff is unprocessed. You know, I mean, basically everything is unprocessed. Okay, so I always want to make sure that I'm living by those rules of being raw. And I also wanted to add, you guys, with the new Ultimate Clay Mask, because Raw Cut Soaps is about, you know, all of the raw things in life, in the world, we're adding crystals into our Ultimate Clay Mask. So when you order your clay mask, it's going to come with a crystal inside of the mask, a raw crystal as well, with information about the crystal, what to do with it, what it gets rid of, the benefits of the crystal, because you know we also have crystal charging water bottles in our line as well. So our crystal charging water bottles, you can take a look at that on our website on www.rawcutsoapsco.com. Feel free to check that out and learn a little bit more about it. Some of you guys may be very familiar with crystal charging water bottles, but we do have our own line of amethyst crystal charging water bottles and clear quartz. Alright, here I'm adding the titanium dioxide, which actually makes the soap lighter. So I do have a little design within the Honey Almond Milk and Oats soap of, you know, little lighter swirls in the soap just to give it more character. But you'll see it get lighter here. Look how satisfying that is. Let me give you guys a moment. So without further ado, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's pretty similar to all of my other videos, but I promise to start to think of new creative ways to get you guys in tune with this soap making lifestyle. Now I will say shout out to all of my soap makers and people who are in the industry that really want to help heal people. It's people like us that I don't know, just sees things differently and really wants to touch anybody that we can. And I don't know, I just feel like for me personally, it's a really big goal of mine to be able to heal people's skin. I don't think it was a coincidence that God has put me in this predicament, in this miraculous journey and career field, full-time entrepreneur. And not only do I make soaps, but I also wax. I am a full-time esthetician, full body wax specialist, and shout out to all of my clients who are in the Atlanta area, and anybody else who travels. I get some people from Tennessee and stuff like that too, so it's pretty cool. But yes, so until next time, you guys, like I always say, take care of yourself and your family and your friends, and just send love out there. And I know it sounds cliche, but we need it in this day and age, and any bit of care and genuine love that you give to the people around you will always be remembered regardless. So just take care, and until next time, see you guys later. Peace.